Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find DIY projects that cover everything from party planning to education to home decor. Join me each Tuesday for Toddler Tuesday. I create fun and easy projects geared toward helping your child learn a variety of skills. On the third Saturday of each month is my DIY Saturday project. These projects range from home decor to fashionable products that you can create and personalize yourself. During October, I have my 31 days of Halloween. Each day is a new Halloween-themed project to decorate your home, create classroom snacks, and my favorite, the annual Halloween costume. During the month of November, I have my 12 days of giving. These projects are themed around the Thanksgiving holiday. To finish out the year, I have my 25 days of Christmas. During the first 25 days of the month, you'll find a different Christmas craft to complete with your family, add some holiday cheer to your home, or create a gift for your child's favorite teacher. I have a project that will cater to each and every part of your busy life. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button to be alerted to new posts. Thanks for stopping by and happy crafting.